If you are looking for some support for current affairs, if you are a fresher, you are a working professional, you are a repeater, but you want some support for current affairs, then I have a program for you. I have given the brochure and also the announcement video link in the description. You can watch if you are interested. Hello all, welcome back to Current Affairs Hitlist series. I'm Guna Mathivanan from Officers IAS Academy. In today's video, we are going to discuss about Shanghai Cooperation Organization. See, this was formed in the year 2001. In 2001, SCO was formally formed. In 2001, Shanghai Cooperation Organization was formally formed in 2001. Right? But before that, we have a predecessor that is called as Shanghai 5. It is called as Shanghai 5. The Shanghai 5 was formed in the year 1996. Who are the members? Who are the members? See? I'm sorry. Yes. Russia, China, Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan. These 5 countries were the original members of Shanghai 5. Why Shanghai 5 was formed? Shanghai 5 was formed because, see, once the USSR got disintegrated, when USSR got disintegrated, new countries were born. Kazakhstan, Kyrgyzstan, Tajikistan, new countries were born. These countries were having border dispute with China. See, Russia shares border with China. Kazakhstan shares border with China. Kyrgyzstan shares border with China. Tajikistan shares border with China. Right. So these countries, the newly formed countries after the disintegration of USSR, was having boundary dispute with China. To resolve that boundary dispute, to ensure mutual trust, in 1996, Shanghai 5 was formed. But later in 2001, Uzbekistan joined as sixth member. Now altogether, a fresh organization was formed that is called as SCO. Later in 2017, Pakistan and India both joined the club. It is still called as Shanghai Cooperation only. And why it was in news? Now Iran also joined the club as 9th member. So Russia is one member, China is another member, Kazakhstan third one, Kyrgyzstan fourth one, Tajikistan fifth one, sixth became Uzbekistan, then 7, 8 India and Pakistan, then 9th member is Iran. Right? So it is a 9-member grouping as of now. What is their mandate? Their mandate is to ensure mutual trust and cooperation in various fields. So here, just know that what are all the countries which is having access to Caspian Sea. That you can make a note of it. Questions can be asked. And in 2018, a question was asked. The question was regarding Aral Sea. See, this is Aral Sea. Look at the image here. The Aral Sea is getting shrinked, right? It was big, but now it is getting shrinked. The question was that, which among the below are getting shrinked? In 2018, UPSC asked regarding Aral Sea. Another thing, look at this Aral Sea, which is shared by Kazakhstan and Uzbekistan. That also you make a note, very important. That is why I have given these 2 map points. So objectives of SCO was to strengthen the mutual trust, effective cooperation in politics, trade, economy, research, technology, culture, etc. They have 2 organizations. They have 2 permanent bodies. One is the Secretariat, which is in Beijing, China, and another one is the RATS, Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure, which is in Uzbekistan, Tashkent. So we have 2 organizations under SCO. One is the Secretariat, another one is the Regional Anti-Terrorist Structure. Headquarters is in Uzbekistan. Right? This is to have cooperation between these 9 countries which are suffering from terrorism, separatism, extremism. So for which, to combat these terrorism, to combat separatism, to combat extremism, these rats will be very, very useful. And not just that, all the countries are affected by drug trafficking. They are affected by drug trafficking. See, in this Afghanistan, Pakistan and Iran, okay, Afghanistan, Pakistan and Iran, if you take, the three countries form Golden Crescent. Then Myanmar, Laos and Thailand, they three form something called as Golden Triangle. This Golden Crescent and Golden Triangle, these are the areas where opium manufacturing is very high. Right? Opium drug manufacturing is very high. So India is sandwiched between Golden Crescent and Golden Triangle. So not just India, now because of this drug trafficking locations, all the member countries, be it Kazakhstan, be it Uzbekistan, be it Tajikistan, China, Russia, India, Pakistan, Iran, everyone is affected because of this drug trafficking. To combat this drug trafficking also, this rats, SEOs rats will be of great use. Alright. So, YA news, as I said, Iran has joined the Shanghai Cooperation Organization. I have also given you some information about what is Golden Crescent, what is Golden Triangle. I have also explained about the significance of the map area. Just note down what are the countries which shares opening with Caspian Sea. About Aral Sea I have mentioned. I hope the topic was useful. So I will meet you next video with another important interesting topic. Till then, bye. Take care.